I've got this 10x magnifying glass. It has a LED. It also has a stand. You can put it on the desk, and it has a lot more features. Let's unbox it and check it out. Okay, now let's see what's inside. We've got a manual right here, 2-in-1 magnifying desk lamp. So it can also be used as a desk lamp. That's the one. We've got a USB-A right here. We also have this weighted stand. Feels quite heavy and sturdy. Let's take this one out. There we go. So that's the weighted stand. And we also have the clamp right here. So you can attach it either with a clamp or on the stand. I think I would prefer it with the clamp, but if you want, you can use the stand as well. You can use it as a desk lamp as well. So that's the arm right here and the lens. There we go, it's 10x magnifying glass. And as you can see, it's easy to like turn it around and really adjust it the way you want. Let's put it in this base right here. Straightforward, you just add it there and then tighten the screw a bit. And of course you first position it and then you tighten the screw. That's the lamp. Let's switch it around and we can adjust it just like that. Right there. Now we can see. Let's also plug it in. So you can see it has like a small LED right here, and you know that is plugged in and it has power, and then you can press the power button to turn the light on. So as you can see, you can use it as a desk lamp as well, because this light is quite powerful. And you can also change the brightness of the lamp, like really low and then really high. Then you can also change the temperature. This can be for night because it's like warm light, and then we have the blue light. And let's see if we can check the magnification on it. Probably can't see that good on camera how the magnification is, but it's really good. So this one has like convenient switches just here on top, so you can easily like you do your stuff and then you can adjust it from here. Really nice. It has like a large 4.3-inch lens for a wide field of view, and so you can see like a lot because this is like a bigger lens. We've got this weighted base which holds this without any trouble, and then we've got this clamp to attach it on anything, on a bench, on anything you want. This LED, as you saw, is super bright. It has like 2000 lumens, and this is also suitable for a lot of work needs, like nail work, like book reading, even like coin checking, soldering, also for like wood carving, like soldering on a board, on a circuit board, for like watch repair. Now let's add the clamp as well. And as you can see, this clamp has like a soft padding on top, which is really good, because I've had other clamps that don't have this, and I have to put a cloth so it doesn't like break this surface, like it doesn't like leave marks, and this is really good for that. I've added the clamp right here, and we can unscrew this from here, right? And we can take it straight here, just like that. It stands right there. So as you can see, it's very easy to adjust. Any position you need it, it's got it. Also sideways. And then you can switch it back to this side right here. So like I said, any way you want it close, it can go so close, it can go down like this, then it can go up, it can move sideways as well. Really easy to use and hold the position, and really good for working.